I don't know about you, but I do not like the mad rush and craziness of Black Friday. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I thought it'd be helpful to go over some tips and tricks for Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping. I have gotten a few questions on what my strategies are, so I thought I'd go over those here. First of all, I don't know about you guys, but I do not like the mad craziness of Black Friday. It's definitely not how it used to be where people were storming down the doors to get into Black Friday. There are still some like doorbuster deals and limited offers that you will see, but I will tell you right now, my number one tip is to forget those deals, stay home, and do most of your shopping online. Most of the doorbusters are limited items and will be long gone before you guys get to them anyway. So I would definitely recommend just staying at home, shopping online. A lot of these shops will actually be starting early, so it's not like Black Friday anymore. It's like Thanksgiving. Even before then, I already know that there are some doing their early Black Friday sales now. So definitely stay home, enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend, and shop from home. So that is my number one tip. Now, the only exception to that is if you are looking for clothing pieces for yourself. Sometimes I like to get like winter coats during Black Friday, and I do like to try them on. If you are going to do that, then just to go in throughout the day, the sales will still be there. My second tip is to make a list. I like to categorize those into wants and needs. So want is like your holiday shopping for friends and family, or new coats that you want but you don't necessarily need them. The needs are for staple items, so keep that in mind while you're holiday shopping to stock up on some of the favorite things that you use throughout the year. So like shampoo, conditioner, things that you're actually going to need throughout the year, but they're at a very big discount. So definitely stock up on those items. My third tip is to compare prices. So there are going to be a lot of shops having the same item on sale. So definitely look around Amazon, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, all the places that you think might have that item that you're looking for, and see which shop has the best price. Also, keep in mind that a lot of shops will actually hike up the price to say that they're having a big sale, when in actuality it's like always on sale at that price. So make sure that you're finding the best value. Write down what the price is now and then what the price is when Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals go live. That way you can get an idea of if it's actually going to be a good value. My fourth tip is to look for extra discounts and sign up for any rewards program. It is so easy to just Google like discount to Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, things like that. A lot of these shops are already discounted just on their site, but you can also add in extra discount codes. So definitely do that. Ebates is also another one. If you are shopping online, you can use their program to get extra discounts on top of the already discounted items for Black Friday. So definitely try and double stack extra coupons. The rewards programs are also really nice. So like Target, Macy's, Ulta, things like that have rewards cards that you can use during these sales as well. So definitely take advantage of that. And my fifth tip is stick to your list, especially if you are venturing out. A lot of these shops will have some flashy deals, 60% off, 70% off, even 80% off today only. It's not on your list. Don't get it. You don't know if it's actually a good price. It just says so, and it's making you want it right then at the moment. So definitely keep your list, stick to it. If you find something that you really want, write it down for next year. So I hope you guys enjoyed hearing some of my tips. And of course, if you have any stickers, stationery, or craft supplies on your list, definitely check out my shop. We are going to be having the biggest sale of the year, starting Thanksgiving and ending on Cyber Monday. So definitely check it out. If you guys have any other tips or tricks for shopping Black Friday, definitely let us know down below. Some of my best tips come from you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!